girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recreating this look right here. I really hope you guys like it. If you do, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Glam Rosa. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. Now let's get started with this look, which I am obsessed with. I love how this came out, so I'm gonna let you guys see how I recreated this look. Alright, mommy fuel. Who else needs it? Alright, let's start with the face. As always, I'm gonna be moisturizing. I got this little example at Sephora, Clinique Dramatically Different Moisturizing Gel. I heard and seen so many reviews on this moisturizer. Supposedly is really good, so I'm gonna try it out. It doesn't have a very strong smell. It's a very clean smell. I'm also going to spray a little bit of Mario Badescu spray. I love this. Now, to cover up the pores and to give a very smooth layer on my skin, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. I didn't whip my beauty blender. Alright, now she's nice and wet. Today I'm going to be using NARS foundation. This is the All Day Luminous Weightless Foundation. This is a medium coverage foundation, but I'm going to build it up to a full coverage foundation because do you see this face? We need to cover up this and this. Yeah. So I'm in the shade Sadicus. I think I'm pronouncing it wrong, but it's medium dark 1. Alright, that's just one layer, but I'm going to go with another layer just to give it more of that full coverage look. To conceal my under eyes and highlight my face, I'm going to go in with Tarte Tape Shape Concealer. Once again, I am loving this very much. My eyes look so tiny after I do that. Going in with my girl La Mercier Translucent Powder, I'm going to set all the parts where I put the concealer. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to go in with Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Powder Makeup. So this is a powder foundation, so it's going to give me more coverage. Let's see how it looks. Ooh, I think it might be a little bit too dark for me. Oh, maybe not. Moving on to the eyes. For today, I want to recreate this eye look right here. I don't have the glitters that's on the lid right there, but just the look itself is so gorgeous, and I love purple. Purple is my favorite color, so I want to recreate that. So let's do it. For my brow bone, I'm gonna go in with Tarte's Pro palette, and I'm going to grab the white shade in the palette. It's more of a light vanilla shade. It's not completely white. It has yellow tone under, and I'm going to set my eyebrows. I'm going to be using the Morphe palette 35C. She looks like this, and I'm going to grab I'm first gonna go in with this pink shade right here with a Morphe M441, and this is gonna go all over my crease. I'm gonna bring it in and drag it all the way out. I'm going to be windshield wiping motion. I'm also going to be recreating a lot of looks you guys have DM'd me. Trust me, I see them, and if I fall in love with them, I screenshot them. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with this light purple in the palette. And I'm pretty much going to overlap this pink shade that we just applied. But I am going to keep a little bit of the edges out, just to keep that pink out. So I'm not going to bring this purple as high as I did with the pink. I'm going to keep it a little bit lower. And that's what I'm going to continue doing as I'm going shade after shade after shade. And girl, blend. Blend, 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 blend. Blend like your life depends on it. Now that our hand is hurting, we're going to move on to a deeper purple. So I'm going to be using this shade right here now. As you guys can see, it's just a bit darker. So that's what I'm going to pick up, and I'm also switching to another fluffy but smaller brush, and I am going to be focusing this shade just a bit lower, also still on my crease. You guys, I have a little bit of fallout on my face. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna grab a little bit of translucent powder and I'm gonna put it underneath just in case. You know, better safe than sorry. Alrighty, now moving on to the next color, I'm gonna pick up a dark purple, and a dark purple that I have is in this big old palette right here. Whoa. So this one right here, I need water now. This is you guys, I'm trying to drink a gallon of water a day. So I'm gonna be healthy so I can lose weight. And I think I'm doing good. I'm doing good. So grabbing this smaller brush, I'm gonna pick up the dark purple. And I'm going to focus this right on my crease line. So when you open your eyes, you see that line right there? That's where I'm going to focus this shadow at. And it's okay if it gets on the crease up here and or in your lid, because it helps me. I'm busy here. Hello.
Are you with Christopher?
No. What song is that? Now I'm gonna go back in with the Tarte's Pro palette, and I'm gonna pick up this shade right here called Vam. Yep, it's a very, very dark, almost black shadow, but it's a dark purple. Let's see if you guys can see. That looks black, but it's a very dark purple. And this is gonna go on my outer V on my corner, right on my lid. And I'm going to pick up this little brush right here from Sony at Cashew. They don't have names of numbers, but it looks like this, like a little pencil brush. And I'm going to put it right here. Oh my god, I'm dying for this. Look at this. I'm speechless. Now I'm going to be cutting my crease using a little bit of tape shape. And this concealer brush is a flat brush. Alright, let's take a moment so we don't mess up. We mess up. Oh my god. Whew. Alright, let's do it. Alright, we did it! We did it! Girl, we did it! High five! Anybody? No? Okay. Okay, picking up the Tarte's Pearl palette. I'm gonna go back and pick up this this shadow right here called Classic. And I'm going to set the concealer. Going back to the Morphe 35C palette, I'm going to be picking up this shade right here, the dark purple, not the light purple, but the dark purple, with the same brush that I'm using right now. And I'm going to tap right where the white shadow and the dark purple meets, right in the middle. I'm going to be tapping this shade right here so I can give it like a ombre effect. So I'm just gonna keep doing this. Do you guys see that? Like that. Now that we're done with that, we're going to wipe this translucent powder that we have here going on. Now on the picture it doesn't show the bottom lash of the look, but I'm pretty much going to keep the same vibes going. So picking up the dark purple on the 39A palette, this big ol' palette right here, I'm going to pick up the dark purple and grab it a precise pencil brush, fluffy brush like this, and apply the shade really close to my lash line. To blend it out a little bit more, I'm going to pick up another pencil brush, and I'm going to pick up this purple right here once again, and I'm going to blend that out. Can we talk about Smokey or not? This is Smokey, and I'm living for it. I don't like to add an inner corner highlight since I don't have those glitters. Should I? I think I am. Just in my inner corners. I'm not going to add it to my brow bone, just in my inner corner. Alright, for my inner corner highlight, I'm going to go in with Becca Champagne Pop. Looks like this. While my lashes get tacky, I'm going to move on to eyebrows. I'm going to be using NYX eyebrow gel in this shade Espresso. Alright, I'm back and I have eyebrows and I also have lashes on. Because you didn't notice, they make a big difference on the look. I am wearing Eylure Lashes Luxe Silk in the Marquise style. I love them. Alright, moving on to the face, because we gotta slay our face too. I am going to be contouring my face with the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D. You gotta snatch these cheeks. Going in with the middle shade, this one, just a little bit. Using that same shade to hit my double chin, because I know you guys see my double chin. Now for my nose, I'm also going to be using that same shade with this small brush. I feel like every time I contour my nose, it's a mess. So I'm not even going to try to do the sides. I'm just going to do the bottom. Now to highlight, I'm going to go in with my same old same Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. Watch this. Girl, do you see this? Now last but not least, lips. I'm going to do I'm going to be doing a combo Milani lip gloss, and why do I always forget? I always use this, and Very Secret. And I'm also going to be using this L'Oreal Paris lipstick, and he thinks it's macho. It's a brown, a very warm brown lipstick. There we go, you guys. This look is complete. I really hope you guys liked it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below how I did on recreating this look right here. I think I did a pretty good job. What do you guys think? If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And I will see you guys in the comments down below. Bye.